Here's how to make fire. Create a chord progression and reverse it using Grosbeat. Grosbeat is weird. Here's how it actually processes the audio. Now let's export this and pitch it down. We can now add a bass line. And some other sounds to fill out the chords, like brass sections, leads, and textures. ARP and sequencer time. This sounds kinda crazy on its own, but alongside the other sounds, now let's add an 808, and a snare, a hi-hat, and open hats. And that is how to make